everyone, welcome back to Mission VTU YouTube channel. As we are discussing model question paper of VLSI design and testing. In the previous video we have seen 3 A, B, C questions. Now we will see 4A question. Derive the DC characteristics of a CMOS inverter and obtain the relationship for the output voltage in different regions of the DC transfer characteristics. Okay, so first you need to write this schematic. Okay, after this you need to supposed to write some of the notations and what are they represent. The threshold voltage of n channel is represented by VTN, and that for p channel VTP, which will be negative, and as the source of the NMOS transistor is grounded, VGSN is equals to V in and VDSN is equals to V out. As the source of the PMOS transistor is tied to VDD, VGSP is equals to V in minus VDD and VDSP is equals to V out minus VDD. Okay. Next, the various regions of operations for the N and P transistor are shown in the table. So you can see the different relationship between voltages for the 3 regions of operation of a CMOS inverter. Here you can see cutoff region, linear region and saturation region. In the cutoff region, there is a NMOS and PMOS, how they are going to behave in the cutoff region, and for the same for linear and saturation region. So try to refer this table. And one more thing is that trick to remember, if you remember one NMOS, you are going to easily write PMOS, because see there VGSN is less than VTN. Okay, in the PMOS, what is the cutoff region? VGSP is greater than VTP. In the cutoff region, in the linear region also, in the saturation region also. Okay, the sign will be reversed. The sign will be reversed. Okay, whatever the NMOS is there, no, it will be opposite to that of. And also you need to observe is that in the second line, in the cutoff region VGSN below, Vin is less than VTN, right? So for that you need to write in the PMOS is, wherever the VTN comes, you need to write VTP plus VDD. Okay, you can see wherever VGSN is there, you need to replace it by VGSP. VTN is replaced by VTP. Okay, in the above section. In the below section, you need to write VTP as a VTP plus VDD. Okay, so this is one trick you can remember in the exam to write this table. Okay, the next is characteristics. This is the IV characteristics of CMOS inverter. Okay, it is plotted between the IDSN and IDSP in terms of VDSN and VDSP. Okay, so this characteristics of a CMOS inverter graph you need to supposed to write in the exam. Okay, next, here also one characteristics diagram is there. It is plotted between IDSN and V out. Okay, so this is the DC transfer characteristics of CMOS inverter. The so here this is very important table. You supposed to remember this table without fail, because this is the table which is having a more marks. The entire question carries 12 marks. You supposed to uh, write this table for 5 marks. Okay, so what is this? Region A, B, C, D and E. There will be a condition uh, how the P device and device will act, whether it will act as a linear region, saturation region or cutoff region, according to that condition. Okay, you have drawn whatever A, B, C, D, E. Okay, for that only you are supposed to uh, make a table, and also you are writing the output section also. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. We will clarify your doubts. Till then, stay tuned with us. If you like this video, uh, hit the like button and subscribe to our Mission VTU YouTube channel, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.